apparently I'm still alive.
Do me wrong, do me right, do me right.
Hi guys, it's been 2 years since I last put out a video, and I won't go into the details why I didn't make videos, but my health just hasn't been that well lately, so I needed time to rest because I have been physically and emotionally drained. So yeah, yun lang. If you see someone moving in the background or meron kayong marinig na that's my daughter. She's playing on the floor, so be quiet, Louise. Okay, let's get started on this review. A few weeks ago, I had my hair colored to what I hoped to be ash brown, but it turned out to be a bit more brownish orangish. So it wasn't really ashy, it was a disgusting brassy color. I'm gonna be showing you guys a before picture of my hair, so I'm gonna flash it on the screen. So that's the before picture. As you can see, it's very orangey, very brassy, very jeje. So I really did not want that hair. And just in case you were curious, I went to a cheap salon for it because your mama's cheap. I'm a cheap girl, so just don't go to a cheap salon. It'll cost you more to have it fixed. Ano ba to? Sinisipon ako! The night I had my hair colored, I was so annoyed. I was so pissed that it turned out to be that orangey and that brassy. I did not sleep until 4 a.m. I was scouring the internet trying to figure out how to fix my hair, and I came across this website that said if you want to cancel out the brassiness or the orangey tones in your hair, you have to use purple shampoo, which makes sense because the color wheel, blah blah blah. I'm not a hair color expert, but if you want to cancel out orangey yellowish tones, then you have to look at the opposite colors of the color wheel, and then you're gonna see the colors blue and purple. So again, purple is supposed to neutralize the orange hues. So Beachborn came up with this classy, not brassy, shampoo and conditioner. This is 100 ml and it costs 198 per bottle. They do have the bigger variant, which is 250 ml, and that retails for 350 pesos. And my nails are disgusting! Anyway, the reason why it got me sold is because it's cheap compared to other brands like Lush. I think has 700 peso for this shampoo, although that's bigger. But don't make me do the math. Aside from being cheap, another reason why I bought this is it's sulfate-free. Yeah, I don't know what that does, but I think being sulfate-free means that it won't damage your hair that much. I didn't buy this from the website, by the way. I bought this from one of their resellers. Okay, moving on with this review. So it says here it's an all-natural sulfate-free purple shampoo that effectively neutralizes orange hues and helps extend the life of colored hair. Of course, you have to use the shampoo first before you use the conditioner, and you have to both leave them on for 3 minutes. So 3 minutes for the shampoo and 3 minutes for the conditioner. The first time I tried this shampoo, I didn't see much of a difference. Parang feeling ko it was all in my head like, ooh, purple shampoo is gonna work. But no, it really did not. I only saw a difference after the third use, and by that time I decided, you know, I'm gonna leave on the conditioner for more than 3 minutes because YOLO. I put on the conditioner for 10 minutes and not just 3, and then after that, I'm gonna show you the before and after photo. After that, my hair became like so. It obviously did not change the color of my hair, but it did remove the disgusting brassiness, the orangey, yellowish hues from it. After my third use, parang ginawa ko na lang siyang once a week. Kasi nakaka-dry siya ng hair, especially yung shampoo. If you don't use the conditioner after this, my hair felt like I was washing a heavy leather bag. That's how dry it was. But then, after you put on the conditioner, okay na siya, medyo mag-smooth na siya. And that is it for this short, quick review. I hope this helped you guys. I would definitely recommend the Beachborn Classy Not Brassy shampoo and conditioner for ladies who have colored hair who just want to maintain their color or to remove the brassiness. I know the blondes especially have a hard time with maintaining their color. I know this will do a great job in maintaining that color. And that's it for this review. Sana hindi naman kayo nahilo kasi nahilo ako while filming it. By the way, I'm still trying to find a way to make my hair more ashy than this kasi parang kulang nga. Gusto ko po ng, alam mo yun, you know that ashy color that kulang pa eh. Hindi pa to yun. Hindi pa to yun. Let's wait until my next video. And yeah, that's it. This is so awkward. I'm just not good at intros and outros and I'm gonna shut up now.